I'm going to walk you through this month's Take and Make kit for adults, which is a Menthol Shower Steamer. And this is going to smell amazing in your shower when this project is finished. So if you stop by the library anytime in January, you can pick up a kit that has all of the materials for this activity. You're going to have a container of coconut oil, a container of menthol crystals, that's what's going to give you the minty scent, and then a baggie that has baking soda in it. And these are the steps we're going to use. So I'm going to take my coconut oil first, and I'm going to put it into a bowl and microwave it until the solid has become a liquid. So hang on just a second, I'm going to do that in the microwave. Alright everybody, so I put my coconut oil in the microwave for 2 minutes, and you'll notice if you watch the coconut oil, I'm smelling lots of menthol, sorry. The coconut oil melts really quickly, but you need to get your coconut oil hot enough so that it will melt the menthol crystals. And as soon as it came out of the microwave, I put the menthol crystals in, stirred it with a spoon, and that's what's smelling so strong right now. So your shower steamer will definitely work to clear your sinuses. So all of my crystals have melted into my mixture, and it's just all liquid. So the next step is to put in the baking soda. And this is the part where you want to make sure that you get all of the baking soda completely covered with the coconut oil, because otherwise you will end up with a crumbly shower steamer and it won't be a very good experience. So I'm going to try to coat it evenly. I'll hold it up so you guys can kind of see it. So it's going to get to be like a jelly, a jelly texture. I'm coating all of it. Kind of see it there. When you get all of it coated, we're going to use one of these containers that either your menthol crystal or your coconut oil came in, and we're going to reuse these as our molds for this project. So I'm going to take the mixture and I'm going to pour some in my mold. Should fill right up to the line of your mold. If you have a little extra, that's okay. It won't hurt your sink to wash that, and it'll make your kitchen smell really good. Your final step is going to be to let this shower steamer dry either on your counter, or you can put it in the refrigerator. It will take at least 24 hours, but depending on the temperature in your house, the temperature in your refrigerator, it may take longer, so you'll be able to see when it gets harder in the mold, and once your steamer is hard, you'll be able to wiggle the sides of the mold and dump it out, and you'll have a shower steamer to put in your shower.